Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making a chocolate chip zucchini bread. It's so delicious. Zucchini's in season. Again, I am just taking full advantage of all the freshness that I can get. So if you want to see how it comes together, make sure you keep on watching because this one, I promise you, you don't want to miss. So to make this, what you're going to need is about 1.5 cups of grated zucchini. Back here I have unsalted butter that I melted and brought to room temperature, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, vanilla extract, eggs. In this bowl, all I did was combine flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. You're going to need to preheat your oven to 325, and you are also going to need to spray a baking pan like this with some non-stick cooking oil. So into my bowl, I added the melted butter, and to that I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'm just going to mix this together. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my eggs. So this is combined. I'm going to go ahead and fold in my zucchini. And I know there's going to be moisture in here because zucchini lets out a lot of water. But that's okay. You want that. I'm just going to make sure that my zucchini is combined in the egg and butter mixture. So this is nicely combined. We're going to take our dry mixture that we already kind of gave a nice zhuzh to, and we're just going to fold this in gradually. Alright, look at this baby. Look at that. Perfection. Finally, last step, we're going to fold in our chocolate chips. Ooh. No man left behind. Just fold these in like so. And I do about 1 cup, but you could do more, you could do less. But I do like to have a bite of chocolate in every little bite that I take, so this is good for me. And I do this by hand with this because I don't want to over mix it and make it really tough. I want it to be soft and gooey. So I'm going to put this into my greased pan, just like so. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. I cannot wait to dig in. And I just kind of smooth it out. And you're going to put this into your preheated oven for 1 hour, anywhere from 1 hour to 1 hour and 15-20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. You are going to want to rotate the pan. So at about 30 minutes or so, you're going to rotate it like that. That's it. That's all you're going to do. Then you're going to take it out, let it come to room temperature. You can even drizzle some chocolate on top if you want, and you're good to go. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. I'll see you next time. Give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.